Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T, and today I would like to show you how you can manage automatic screen rotation on this XIAOMI smartphone. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Lock Orientation icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see now, it's blue. That means that automatic screen rotation is off, but you can always turn it on by clicking on the same shortcut. If you wish to, you can go into Settings as well, tap on Display section, and scroll down. Then click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!